to shut up and shoot.
Alright, here we go.
I got a baby blown over with a demon inside me.
Straight Shooter Coffee, the official coffee of Therapy Range. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Therapy Range. Two range days in a row. We're going to take advantage of this gorgeous February weather. It's 70+ degrees out here on Therapy Range today. And a while back, I had some Crusty shells come into my life. Yeah, I bought some boxes of ammo at a trade show, and buried down in the bottom of the box was a bunch of these Crusty 20 gauge shells. As you can see, I got quite a few of them. So I figured, let's see if they'll shoot. You guys want to see that, right? You want to know if these old Crusty shells are safe to shoot. Now, what I will say is, I am an expert. Don't try this at home. I can't even say that shit with a straight face. Alright, so we got our Fed Arm 20 gauge pump action shotgun. Let's put one of these Crusty bastards in it and see what happens. Huh. Okay. Let's look at that. Appears to be okay, fired all right. Didn't quite sound, didn't quite have the zip to it that I would expect out of a 20 gauge. It's not splitting them or anything. Yeah, and these aren't the worst ones. That one's pretty rough. Huh, I'll be. Let's go ahead and load a couple of them then. Since how we're doing, they seem to be doing okay. I figured they wouldn't shoot.
Why a shotgun?
I figured the primers were bad in them. Alright, we got 4 of them left. Let's go ahead and just run through them. And then we'll look at these holes and see if we had any splits or anything stupid going on. Well, I tell you what, down inside this gun, where the barrel meets the chamber, looks like we're starting to see a little bit of rust form up in there. I'm gonna grab these holes and we'll have a look at them.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, now that we know Crusty shotgun shells are good to go, I guess it's really gonna depend on just how crusty they are. You're gonna have to treat it situation by situation, but the more you know, right? Live your life to the fullest, because anything less is an injustice to yourself and every single person around you. I'm going to try like hell to be out here as many days as I can when the weather's warm, because I really don't like the talking videos that much. Ironically, they get more traffic than the gun videos do, but it's whatever. This is what I enjoy doing. I like shooting the guns, so. Stay free, America, if you can figure out how. We'll talk again real soon.
It's time to shut up and shoot.
Alright, here we go.